All right, guys. So if you watch my video of the rollover of the Tacoma, if you watch the whole thing, you'll find that somewhere in that hill climb, we caught a tree limb, branch, something, pulled my valve stem and cracked it, and it was leaking air. So we jerry-rigged it with some zip ties to kind of hold the cracked part shut. I don't know, I wheeled another 5.5 hours. I drove it the hour home, so 6.5 hours. And it wasn't until the next day that, actually it wasn't even that day. I think it was like Monday. So like 2 days later, I got home and the tire was like flat sitting out here in the driveway. So, not wanting it to sit flat while I was waiting for the special new tool I bought, I pulled it in here, put it on a jack, and we got it just kind of suspended, keeping the tire from just sitting in that pinched state. But I had seen these tire valve stem replacement tools. I don't know if it was like a video or something on Instagram or TikTok or one of those things. But they claim that you can replace your valve stem without dismounting your tire. And this, to me, looked like an absolute necessity for my four-wheeling toolbox kit. So we're going to try it. It came with some valve stems, conveniently. Come with 4 valve stems. And there is this hook tool, which apparently is for pulling out the old valve stem. There is the push tool or the thread tool for pushing your new valve stem in, which has this little handle. Those 2 pieces screw together. And then there is a funnel or a cone, which apparently is how you push the new valve stem in. So I don't even remember. I think there's like 32 bolts holding that bead lock on. So plus, these bead locks have like the bead grip technology on the inner lip. Like dismounting a tire just to do a valve stem would be a major pain. Not bad if you have a tire shop, but if you're in the woods, there's no way. So I think this tool is going to be a priceless commodity for the toolbox, but we're going to find out if it's actually easy or if it's a real pain in the butt. So let's see. All right, so we'll cut the valve stem, zip tie stuff out of the way here, so that we can, let's get these out of the way, and then, yeah, anyway, must be cracked underneath. So not sure how I'm gonna hold the camera and the tool. Unfortunately, you guys might lose out here, but we'll see what we can do. So they claim that if that's folded over, you get this tool underneath what's left of your valve stem. All right, sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to put you down. Okay, well, I don't know if that would be the experience every time or if it's just because my valve stem itself that I used was kind of deteriorated. The base of mine pulled off and went down inside the tire. So if that bugs you, you may have to dismount your tire to get that piece of valve stem out. But as a trail repair, we wouldn't really care. To be quite honest with you, I probably won't be able to hear it from the cab when I'm driving. So I think we're just not going to worry about it. I'm hoping to take the truck to the Rigs and Coffee event, which takes place in Hudsonville, Michigan. It's, I don't know, over 2.5 hours south of me. But I've never been, and I've been invited, and it looks like a pretty cool event, meeting a bunch of like-minded individuals and checking out their rigs. So we're going to give it a shot. I threaded together that tool, which is the handle with the valve stem, and then it says to lubricate the inside of the funnel to push the valve stem into the hole. So we will get the valve stem thread it in the end of the tool. We'll get some lubricant and we'll be right back. I've gotten the valve stem threaded onto the tool. Apparently you push it through the cone into your hole. So this edge of this lines up against that and you push it through. We're gonna lubricate it and supposedly it pops right in and then you unthread it. So yeah, let's see how it goes, I guess. Valve stem lubricated. Trying to do it so you guys can see what's going on. The cone, there, that locks over that. Gee whiz. Must have been close. It's sticking out part way. Holy cow. Well, let's try again. Well, seemed like it was going to be a lot easier than that. Maybe it's because I bought the Amazon version and not the name brand. Time will tell. Let's try it again. Or maybe it's the valve stem that they provide is very hard. Here we go. I just didn't have enough lubrication on it. More spit, it's always better. Ta-da! New valve stem in place. Let's fire up the Milwaukee compressor. Voila! That seems way better than dismounting the tire, even if it did struggle a little. Well, all in all, I gotta say that's a success. There's a new valve stem in there. I didn't have to dismount or debead the tire. That's holding air again. That's a win. Definitely a tool that's going to be in the trail kit in the truck. So the one that I picked up again, you know, is Amazon. What is this? Prozwe or something? Frozwe? Yeah, that. One of those. It works. Definitely save my bacon. And it'll definitely save your bacon if you're out on the trail. Thanks for watching.